you make the progress, when you make the ranks, you help us everybody. And that's why you get so much energy. For your hard work, we give you the recognition here. Bring it up! You're so fast! Stand up! Come on in! Use the
We have chosen new Circle of Champions. Give a warm hand to Daniel Wieser, Alberto Arellano.
It is not only a group of leaders, they are honest and they lead by example.
The show must go on. Celebration of the diamonds!
Simbala!
Round of applause to our ambassadors, Igor and Andreas Simbala Albert!
These are something spectacular. That these are something when you show them, when you have them, you don't need to speak anymore.
Now is the moment to find out who are those most producers.